Finally, we are here. Yeah, you can use the stage.
No, not me. There is someone who's stuck there. Who's stuck here.
I heard maintenance sound from inside.
Yeah, it's stuck here. We are waiting.
YouTube! Hello, YouTube!
Hello, guys. So he is my colleague, friend, and introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Firas. I'm from Tunisia. I'm 25 years old, and also I'm a physical education teacher. So I come here for
5 minutes later.
but
I will show you his performance soon. I'll make a vlog for that one. So,
This is the group which we are going to join in our Zoxon, guys.
Tattoo, yeah. So just face painting. Start with the kids. You know, kids are the best market.
Like you're
Try
taking
to-
advantage, you're getting views only. Oh my god.
Try to blur the
Pathetic.
faces because you can
Oh my
actually
god.
edit,
you
right?
know, oh
Or
my
try
god. Then oh my god.
Really, nigga?
to
Oh my god.
to get a
Oh my
waiver.
god.
you know?
Then you
Bring a waiver as well.
what is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Yeah, and then you will have some people who come, oh my god, she's using the kids to post. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No, but it depends on how. Of course, don't take as much as
How many views you have? How many subscribers you have?
Only 30.
Huh? 30?
Yeah.
And you're messing your with our hats to give you ideas.
It's okay.
Ya, migin.
Eh, Sherwin, hinarangan mo kami.
Ay, nagagagagad, nagagagagad, nagagagagad.
Makita.
Talo! sorry.
Husband and wife, okay? Okay. It will be nice.
Okay, you got this one right. Continue. Yes, please. Next.
It will be not same. What does it call? Sparkle.
It was that moment that I knew I fucked up.
Water?
And
Rina.
most of the wife, not all wife I'm talking about, not all husband, most. Okay. And I think in most you will be included in most. You will be included in most.
何お前はもう死んでいる。
Husband have to lie, right? Then if those type of relationship, I don't know what I'm talking.
No, I don't know what you're
What? I don't know how to explain in English.
I need news, but I don't know.
Okay, you explain it in your language and we will translate it later.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Like
what?
Shut up.
Like a diamond.
Like, shut up.
Emotional damage.
the wife is always telling the story, the whole day story, what happened today, like that. Then husband is not giving interest. The husband doesn't
You know
care
why?
about
You know why? I'll tell you why. Ladies,
Oh,
you want to give a lot of detail.
Ah, shit. Here you go again.
yeah.
You know,
That's,
I had this feeling like
something was going on, but I couldn't believe it. So I had to wait, and then I started my day. I had my coffee, and then, oh my God, I spilled my coffee on the table. And then I had to wipe it. I didn't find tissue. Then what the where is, I don't know who, get me the tissues. And then, this is
एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
for 1 hour. And still the day didn't started yet.
That
You give too money.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Hello?
So what do
So,
you mean, Sir Beru?
I will
It's
tell
not
you
good
why.
to say. It's
No, no,
not-
no. No.
It depends on the relationship,
It's not, yeah.
Depends on the relationship.
Rule number 1. If you ever, guys,
That's Peru Life Coach 101. 102.
this is 105. 105.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you. We don't care.
Like for example, I will tell you how men.
Ooh! Nakupenda sa
Really, nigga? Hacker.
Guys,
continue.
no. I'm gonna tell you. For you to understand how you should deal with your husband.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
This is for you. Go to YouTube. And watch.
my channel.
No. And watch Steve Trevino. I Speak Wife.
What?
I Speak Wife. Real life stand-up comedy. Like this applies to like 99 point, I don't know, something.
Only 1% is family alcohol.
No, really, no. For you, this is for the ladies. You don't have to go left and right to say something. This is what you ladies do.
Sometimes
No,
We
just
will
be
be
specific.
we are detail oriented.
the boy will be high temper if you will say straight as well. They will not listen. So
You have to go and turn.
yeah.
No.
What? No.
So you know, because you're going to
Okay,
with your own family.
Go watch this video, you will understand whatever. Khalas.
Wait a minute.
Go watch this video, you will understand